Yeah, what's up, man? Welcome to my videos. A lot of people they got FSGO mobile, but the only problem that I used to struggle with, and I wish somebody could have showed me, is the fact that I struggle a lot. Well, I used to, but now I know, and I want to show you how you can import files into FL Studio Mobile. This video is just me trying to show you how you can do it, importing files into FL Studio Mobile, simple and easy. It doesn't matter if you have a new drum kit which you downloaded from an app or a sample. I usually get some new samples, uh, especially from looperman.com or Splice, but people they don't know how to import files into FL Studio Mobile. This video is for those people who don't know how to import new files into FL Studio Mobile. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. And let's get to the video, bro. I'm gonna show you how you can import new files into FL Studio Mobile. Simple and easy. I'll just get straight to the Simba. Where is the man? You're gonna start this beat, yeah. I'm busy paint washing for my channel, bro. Busy paint washing and everything to be legitimate. Paint washing. Candy paint, Fanta, candy paint, paint washing. Candy paint, Fanta. So the first thing we gotta do is to go to my files. Look for the files which I just downloaded recently. Okay, you can see we got this Miraculous Beats Afro Drill Pack or Afro Gems. Okay, let's try to add Afro Gems, okay, to FL Studio Mobile. So we just go to FL Studio Mobile, and just like that we are within, and we just go to empty new project, import. Simple as that. You just import and go to audio. You can see all the sounds are here. Let's just go to download. You can see we got this cache cuban cache cuban we got I downloaded new drum kits to make beats. Okay, let's go to documents, download. You can see eh, these are question papers. Let's go to download and okay. What is happening? Yeah, you can see hip instrumental snares are here, and um, and then you can add this into FL Studio Mobile. I don't want to add this because I already added them. Okay, let's try to add this track into FL Studio Mobile. Smoke. Let me check if it's here on FL Studio Mobile. Go to audio clip, my samples. You can see smoke it out. You see, it's that simple. Anyway, so let's try to master it once because we already added it into FL Studio Mobile. Nicolas on this beat,
Smoke it up, pop it out, plain pop, lollipop, poke it up. Smoke it up, pop it out, plain pop, lollipop,
These
pop
niggas
it
know
up.
I went to fly, got them still on the knees. You cannot reach me, I'm too high. No, I ain't top of the weed. Try keep calling me on the phone, cause she knows she wanting that big D. She says it's hers every time she moves, that's the only thing that she need. She know I like to smoke it rough. She said she tryna fall. Got that smoke.
Smoke it up, pop it out, plain pop, lollipop, poke it up. Smoke it up, pop it out, plain pop, lollipop, pop it up. Smoke it up, pop it out, plain pop, lollipop, poke it up. Smoke it up, pop it out, plain pop, lollipop, pop it up.
Gas, my drive needs some gasoline. On the coochie dry, need some Vaseline. Purple jean, drinking all the adrenaline. Good traps, who's that? Look back, hit that. This is not a new track. Kid cat, got a cat, young straps, gun straps. Then he said, my bad. Checking all the time lapse, she just relapse. Kids playing, make a nigga relax. In time, I'ma get the feedback. So hit the kid till it feeds back. Cause it feel bad, I'm still mad. With the bike, got it, why you running from me? I want all the trophies. I want all the trophies, little.
Yes, sir. Man, we just chilling at the barber shop. You know what I mean? Nigga talking about you wanna cut some hair, and I'm like, yo, man, you should smoke this weed, bro. And I figure, would you smoke this weed? And we go hot. And we decided we gonna record this thing, though.
For this one, it was like kind of simple to me to master it because mastering is easy. Mastering is easy. Just make sure the project is not hitting above the threshold. I always talk about the threshold. Let me try to add the limiter. Look at this. Look at this limiter. You see, this is the threshold line. You see, look, this threshold line. You see, your sample must not play above this. It's the same thing as multi-band compressor, as you can see. The kick is hitting there. See. She knows I like a smoke it up. Nigga puff. Yeah, man, that's it for this video. I wanted to show you how you can import files into FL Studio Mobile. You can literally do this into all the files, like import. It's not only this project, a lot of projects depending on what you want to import into FL Studio Mobile. You see, and by the way, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, man. Let's keep growing, man. I love FL Mobile, so this is because of you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Keep supporting. Let's keep growing. Anyways, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.